fix a slow sink drain. 1 tablespoon of dish soap. 1/3 cup of baking soda. 1 cup of vinegar. Cover and leave for 10 minutes and pour in hot water. Smooth.
Hey, if your kitchen sink or your bathroom sink is draining slowly, one of the problems might be in your P-trap. Your P-trap is this little bent plastic pipe under your sink, and its design is twofold. One, it's supposed to trap any debris or grease that might get down in there, and two, it keeps the smell of your sewer and your septic tank from coming back up because it's filled with water all the time. So today I'm going to show you how to remove that and clean it out. It's kind of gross. Be sure to put a bowl under it because there's going to be a bunch of water that comes off. The nuts come off counterclockwise and then blop. Hey, a straw? Anyway, shove a bunch of paper towels in there to kind of clean out the insides of it. It's important that this O-ring goes on with the skinny part down when you put it back together. The nuts go on clockwise. Then after everything is tightened, just make sure you run the water down your sink and verify there's no leak.
My bathroom sink has been draining really slow and I'm pretty sure it's clogged, so I decided to give the baking soda and vinegar hack a try. Apply some baking soda and then some vinegar and let it do its thing. I repeated this process 3 or 4 times with a few warm water flushes in between, and you can definitely see it was breaking up what was clogging the drain. Now I did get a little impatient and grab my drain stick to pull the rest of the clog out, but I think this hack worked really well to loosen everything up.